Hey everyone, Bob Biker 46 here. I told you earlier in another video that we're going to put the coating on this tail. Redid the tail. It's already peeled. This one's peeled and ready to go. Cut the size, cut the fit. And down on the floor here is the iron. Be careful, it will burn you. It will burn you. Let's get some edges going here. I cut this a little bit bigger than what it's supposed to be. It's kind of like a shrink wrap, you know? Kind of like a shrink wrap. Kind of iron it, smooth it out. I want to raise that up so it has a little bit of slack in it after I get done ironing it. Alrighty, we're back. Technical difficulty. I had to change the battery in the Osmo. So we are just ironing. We are ironing pools. Pretty cinchy stuff. Just you have to watch. Get everything sealed down nicely. So, I think that piece is done. See how it shrinks up? It almost didn't cover this corner. You gotta leave enough spare. And then on the sticky side, the side that glues down, you gotta peel the clear off of it. So I've already cut this to shape. Get it laid in there nice. Grab the iron. Get a spot started. Try not to get them wrinkles in there, but it's almost impossible to do that. It's just going to have wrinkles, that's all there is to it.